Good evening, students. And chapter number 6, simplification. We all have discussed in class 5 simplification. We are all aware about that V bod mass. In simplification, we follow this particular rule that is called bod mass. We are aware about the bod mass. Now one term is added, V bod mass. Basically, V is vinculum or bar. That's supposed to be this sign, bar. Next is B for brackets. Brackets, there are three types of brackets: small brackets, curly braces, and square braces. This is called parenthesis. This is curly braces, and this is brackets. Brackets, or you can also say square brackets. Okay. Next is off. Off determines the operation we apply in the place of off is multiplication. Off is the multiplication basically. Next is division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and next is subtraction. This particular steps we are follow. First we need to follow the bar or vinculum. Then next is brackets. Three types of brackets are parenthesis, curly braces, and square brackets. This is the order. First we need to solve parenthesis, then second curly braces, then third big bracket or square bracket or brackets simply. Next is off. Off means multiplication. Multiplication. Basically product of two numbers. Off represents the product of two numbers. Next is division. We all are aware about that division symbol. Next is multiplication, then addition, and the last is subtraction. This is the order we have to follow in the simplification chapter. Okay, let's take the example. Okay, let's take this example. Here 36 minus big bracket 18 minus curly braces 14 minus small brackets, in small bracket 15 minus 4 divided by 2 multiplied by 2. So first we need to, our bod mass is saying that first we need to understand the brackets. Here all types of brackets are there. So first we need to solve this particular bracket. In this bracket we need again apply the bod mass. So our bod mass is saying first we need to solve this, means 4 divided by 2. Division is first, then 36, and rewrite all the values which you are not going to solve as it is. 4 divided by 2, that means 2. 2 cross 2. In next step our 2 into 2, because multiplication is there, we are here in small brackets. 36, 18 minus 14 minus, then 2 cross 2 means 4, that is 4. Again here we are in the curly brace, in the small brackets or parenthesis. 36 minus 18 minus 14. Now we need to solve this particular bracket. 15 minus 4, that is 11, and remove the small brackets. Now we are here in the curly braces. We need to solve this curly braces. 36 minus 18, 14 minus 11, that is 3, and remove the curly braces. After that we are here 18 minus 3, 36, 18 minus 3, that is 15. Okay, now now 36 minus 15, that is 21, and that is our answer. Okay, first you need to solve the parenthesis. In parenthesis, if the number of applications are there or number of terms are there, so you need to solve the each term applying bod mass in the parenthesis. After that curly braces, then big bracket, and after that the final answer. Okay, understand? Let's take one more example. Let's take another example in which, in this example, we have a bar or vinculum, small braces, curly braces, and the final answer. So we need to solve this particular bar. So we need to solve this particular thing, means 2 minus 1. Accept this sign. 5 plus, and this become 2 minus 1, that is 1. Now we need to solve the parenthesis. Parenthesis means 5 plus 1, 6. Now we need to solve the curly braces. 14 12 minus 6, that is 6, and 14 minus 6, that is 8 is our answer. This is it for this particular video. We will discuss the fractional values in next video.